Audible to all? Guys, am I audible to all of you? Please message fast. Am I audible to all of you? Please message fast. Then we will start the session. Yes, friends. Am I audible? Shaheen, Shiv Shankar. Am I audible to all of you? Please message fast. Then we will start. Then we will resume our class. Just message me fast, guys. Then we will start the session. Okay. Fine, fine, fine. So, we are now coming on lecture number 49. We are coming on lecture number 49 of our main series. We are coming on lecture number 49 of our main series. And today we will discuss digital public infrastructure. Today we will discuss digital public infrastructure. What is digital public infrastructure? Very important in context of UPSC mains. What is DPI? That is digital public infrastructure. What are its importances? What are its challenges? And application of DPI in India. Application of DPI in India. All these things we will discuss in detail. All these things we will discuss in detail. So let's start then. Digital public infrastructure. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you. So let's begin with digital public infrastructure. What is DPI? What is digital public infrastructure? Let's discuss in detail. Okay. Digital public infrastructure. What is digital public infrastructure? क्या होता है digital public infrastructure? We will discuss this in detail. So first of all, it refers to digital public infrastructure. Just a second. Digital public infrastructure refers to foundational digital public infrastructure refers to foundational digital system. Foundational digital system that are accessible secure, supporting digital public infrastructure refers to foundational digital system that are accessible, secure, supporting essential public service example Aadhaar, UPI, etc. So what is digital public infrastructure? It refers to, what is that? It refers to foundational digital system that are accessible, secure, supporting essential public service, example Aadhaar, UPI, etc. This is the meaning of digital public infrastructure. Public infrastructure. So digital connectivity facilitate the communication and commerce digital connectivity facilitate the communication and commerce that drives economic growth. Individual cannot individual cannot transfer payment indiviजुअल कैनॉट या इस लाइन को रहने देते हैं, ये इंडिविजुअल कैनॉट वाली लाइन सही नहीं है. डिजिटल कनेक्टिविटी फैसिलिटेट द कम्युनिकेशन एंड कॉमर्स दैट ड्राइव्स इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. देन यूज ऑफ ई गवर्नेंस पोर्टल, use of e-governance portal, use of e-governance portal to connect with government, to connect with government, to connect with government, access information, access information, access information, or make online purchase, or make online purchase, or make online purchase with continuous, with continuous, or make online purchase with continuous and reliable mode, reliable mode that is secure and fast, that is secure and fast. Zenith, good morning. So digital connectivity facilitate the communication and commerce that drives economic growth. Use of e-commerce portal to connect with government, access information, or make online purchase with continuous and reliable mode that is secure and fast. That is secure and fast. Digital India program, Digital India program, Digital India program has made significant progress, has made significant progress, has made significant progress, significant progress in growth areas, in growth areas. It focus on building, it focus on building, it focus on building broadband highways, broadband highways, broadband highway, provide universal access to mobile connectivity, provide universal access to mobile connectivity, to mobile connectivity, universal access to mobile connectivity, public internet access program, public internet access program, public internet access program, e-governance, e-governance, electronic service delivery, electronic service delivery, electronic service delivery, access to information, access to information, increase electronic manufacturing, increase electronic manufacturing, increase electronic manufacturing, provide information technology, provide information technology, provide information technology, provide information technology skills for jobs. So Digital India program, if we talk about, sir please provide mains question also for better understanding of exam pattern. देवेंद्र, हमारा ये जो मेंस वाला सेशन है ये 2 क्लासेस का और बचा है, आज और कल. डे आफ्टर टुमारो से हम करंट अफेयर्स की एक सीरीज लेकर आ रहे हैं जो कि इस साल के मेंस के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकता है. उसमें वी विल डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन एज वेल, मतलब वी विल डिस्कस 1 or 2 टॉपिक्स एंड ऑन दैट बेसिस वी विल डिस्कस फ्यू क्वेश्चंस आल्सो ऑन दैट. सो यू विल हैव अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग रिगार्डिंग टू इट, क्योंकि फॉर एवरीथिंग वी कैनॉट ब्रिंग द मेंस क्वेश्चन, बट व्हाट वी विल डू द करंट अफेयर्स टाइप फॉर दिस ईयर्स मेंस एंड देयर वी विल डिस्कस द क्वेश्चंस एज वेल. So Digital India program had made significant progress in growth area. It focused on building broadband highway, provide universal access to mobile connectivity, public internet access program, e-governance, electronic service delivery, access to information, increase electronic manufacturing, provide information technology skill for jobs. So this is the focus of Digital India program. This is the focus of Digital India program. Now, if we talk about the importance of digital public infrastructure, what is the importance of digital public infrastructure? Importance of digital public infrastructure. What is the information of importance of digital public infrastructure? Why this is so important? Why digital public infrastructure is so important? First, promote financial inclusion. Promote financial inclusion. Promote financial inclusion. Digital public infrastructure. Digital public infrastructure. Digital public infrastructure. Digital public infrastructure like Aadhaar, Jandhan, UPI has brought millions of people into formal banking system. Into formal banking system that help in rural areas also. That help in rural areas also. That help in rural areas also. Second, efficient service delivery. Efficient service delivery. Efficient service delivery. Government schemes like subsidies, pensions, pension, welfare benefit, reach to citizens, directly through direct benefit transfer, directly through direct benefit transfer, reduce leakage and corruption. Reduce leakage and corruption. Third, boost to digital economy. Boost to digital economy. boost to digital economy. DPI promote digital payment and e-commerce. Digital payment and e-commerce enable small business and startups to grow. So digital payment infrastructure promote digital payment and e-commerce, enable smart business and startups to grow. Enable small business and startup to grow. This is the boost to digital economy. Fourth, empower citizen. Empower citizen. DigiLocker, e-signature, and Aadhaar authentication, citizen can access government service, increase transparency, and promote convenience. So DigiLocker, e-signature and Aadhaar authentication. Citizen can access government service, increase transparency and promote convenience. Fifth, global leadership. India being recognized global model for digital public infrastructure, and countries looking to replicate India's success story. Many of the countries are now following the digital public infrastructure set by the India. So global leadership is also enriching. Then bridging urban-rural divide. Bridge urban-rural divide. Enable access to banking, health, and education. Job creation and innovation. Create employment opportunities. And encourage tech-driven innovation. Tech-driven innovation. Tech-driven innovation. And last, ease of doing business. It also promote ease of doing business. Under how? Digital KYC. Digital KYC. Know your customer. GST network. GST network. Then e-invoice. E-invoice had simplified compliances, enhance transparency, and promote Make in India. These are all positives or importance of digital public infrastructure. Let's discuss them. First of all, promote financial inclusion. Digital public infrastructure like Aadhaar, Jan Dhan, UPI has brought millions of people into formal banking that help in rural area also. Second, efficient service delivery. Government schemes like subsidies, pension, welfare benefit reach to citizen directly through direct benefit transfer, reduce leakage and corruption. Third, boost to digital economy. Digital public infrastructure promote digital payment and e-commerce. Enable small business. Enable small business and startups to grow. Small business startups grow करेंगे इससे. Fourth, empower citizen. DigiLocker, e-sign and Aadhaar authentication. Citizen can access government service, increase transparency and promote the convenience. Global leadership. India being recognized global model for digital public infrastructure and countries looking to replicate India's success stories. Bridge urban-rural divide. Enable access to banking, health and education. Job creation and innovation. Create employment opportunities and encourage tech-driven innovation. Then ease of doing business. Digital KYC, GST network, e-invoice had simplified compliances, enhanced transparency and promote Make in India. It promote the Make in India as well. So these all are the basic things or basic importance of digital public infrastructure. I hope it is being clear to all. Of you. Now let's move to the challenges of DPI. What are the challenges of digital public infrastructure? Challenges of digital public infrastructure. What are the challenges of digital public infrastructure? इसके challenges क्या हैं? What are the challenges of digital public infrastructure? First, digital divide. Many rural and remote areas still lack reliable internet and digital device led to exclusion from DPI benefit. Second, cyber security threat. cyber security threat, data breach, data breach, data hacking, data breach, data hacking, cyber fraud, cyber fraud has increased in digital payment. In digital payment. Third, data privacy issue. Data privacy issue. Data privacy issue. The collection and storage of personal data. The collection and storage of personal data through Aadhaar raise concern about surveillance, misuse, and lack of consent. Fourth, digital literacy gap. Digital literacy gap. Lack of skill and confidence. Lack of skill and confidence. Lack of skill and confidence to use digital service. Especially among senior citizens. See, there are few special challenges of this digital public infrastructure. First is digital divide. Many rural and remote areas still lack reliable internet and digital device, led to exclusion from DPI benefit. Second, cyber security threat. Data breach, data hacking, cyber fraud has increased in digital payment. Third, data privacy issue. The collection and storage of personal data through Aadhaar raise concern about surveillance, misuse, and lack of consent. Fourth, digital literacy gap, lack of skill and confidence to use digital service, especially among senior citizens. Senior citizens still are in a dilemma how to use this digital public infrastructure. Then fifth, infrastructure challenge. Infrastructure challenge. Low speed internet connectivity issue. Frequent power cut, and poor mobile networks. This is the major issue. Then sixth, authentication failure. Authentication failure, poor fingerprints, poor biometric fingerprint scan, connectivity problem, connectivity issue, connectivity issue hamper the real beneficiaries. The real beneficiaries. It hampered the real beneficiaries who are actually bound to take the benefits of DPI. They are not able to. Then apart from that, seventh, lack of coordination. Lack of coordination. Lack of coordination. That is lack of integration. Lack of integration. Confusion. Lack of integration, confusion, and duplication. And duplication. And last is lack of proper enforcement of data protection law. Data protection law. Data protection law का proper enforcement नहीं होना. That is again a major challenge. So these are the challenges of digital public infrastructure. These are the major challenges of digital public infrastructure. Is it clear to all? Friends, is it clear to all? These are the major challenges that DPI is facing in India. These are the major challenges that DPI is facing in India. Okay. So before moving ahead, I'll tell you our foundation batch is live now for 2026. We are covering our whole prelims and whole mains. That is in English medium, online, offline, medium both. It is in online, offline, medium both. So if you are in Prayagraj, Karol Bagh, or in Mukherjee Nagar, you can join our foundation batch. English batches are there in Prayagraj or Karol Bagh. So if you are in any part of country, you can also join online batches. These all are expert faculties of geography, history, polity, essay, ethics, society, economy, IR, environment, science tech, and CSAT. Okay, friends. So this is about the importance and challenges of DPI. Now let's talk about the initiatives of government to promote digital public infrastructure. What are the government initiatives to promote digital public infrastructure? Government initiative to promote digital public infrastructure. Digital public infrastructure. Yes. So what are the government initiatives to promote DPI? What all are the government initiative to promote DPI? So first is India Stack. What is this India Stack? What is India Stack? It is the set of open application programming. It is the set of open application programming interface What is India Stack? It is a set of open application programming interface and digital building blocks developed by government and private entities developed by government and private entities to enable presence-less, paperless, and cashless service. and cashless service. So what is that? It is the set of open application programming interface and digital building blocks developed by government and private entities to enable presence-less, paperless and cashless services. This is the role of India Stack. This is the role of India Stack. So it include following. It include following: Aadhaar. First is Aadhaar, world's largest biometric digital ID system digital ID system managed by UIDAI, that is Unique Identification Authority of India, managed by UIDAI, 12 digit unique identification number to residents based on biometric and demographic data. ठीक है. Then second is UPI. We all know what is UPI. Launched by National Payment Corporation of India in 2016. Launched by NPCI in 2016. It is a real-time payment. It is real-time payment system allow peer-to-peer and merchant transaction via mobile phone 24/7 into 365. 24/7 into 365. QR based payment. 24/7 into 365 QR based payment and autopay feature also. Third, DG Locker. Now, what is that in DG Locker? A cloud-based digital locker. System for storing and accessing verified government document in digital format. Store official documents digitally share document via consent, share document via consent, share document via consent based access, consent based access, get digitally signed document, get digitally signed document, get digitally signed document from issuing authority, from issuing authorities. So what is that? First of all, DG Locker, a cloud-based digital locker system for storing and accessing verified government document in digital format, store official documents digitally, share documents via consent-based access, get digitally signed document from issuing authorities. This is DG Locker. This is DG Locker. Fourth, account aggregator, very important. Fourth is account aggregator. Account aggregator, very, very important. What is account aggregator? Launched by RBI. Launched by RBI and financial sector regulators. And financial sector regulators. And financial sector regulator allow individual and business, allow individual and business, allow individual and business to digitally and securely, to digitally and securely share financial data, share financial data, share financial data, share financial data with third party service provider, with third party service provider with consent, with consent, with consent, it create financial data sharing system, financial data sharing system, financial data sharing system with user consent, with user consent, with user consent and easier access, easier access of loans for MSME, of loans for MSME, for MSME to get credit scoring. So this is account aggregator, means whatever the information any financial information provider need to get, with the help of user consent they will get the information. So account aggregator launched by RBI and financial sector regulator allow individual and business to digitally and secure share financial data with third party service provider with consent. It create financial data sharing system with user consent and easier access of loan for MSME to get credit scoring. That is the usage of account aggregator. That is the usage of account aggregator. Okay. Now ONDC. Fifth is ONDC. What is ONDC? Open Network for Digital Commerce. open network for digital commerce. Open network for digital commerce. What is that ONDC? A government based initiative to to democratize e-governance, democratize e-governance, to democratize e-governance by creating by creating by creating by creating seamless network seamless network by creating seamless network where buyer and seller where buyer and seller can transact where buyer and seller can transact irrespective of platform irrespective of platform irrespective of platform empower small sellers empower small seller reduce digital monopoly reduce digital monopoly reduce digital monopoly build competitive build competitive digital marketplace digital marketplace. That means any of the seller who is registered with a app, he can showcase his product on this ONDC, open network for digital commerce. Then apart from that, COVID, that is during the COVID times, public health digital infrastructure, public health digital public infrastructure, digital public infrastructure, public health digital public infrastructure, vaccine registration, vaccine registration, certificate download, certificate download, certificate download, vaccine tracking, vaccine tracking, India's ability to build rapid large scale real time public health real time public health real time public health delivery platform delivery platform delivery platform manage 2 plus billion 2 plus billion vaccine dosage, manage 2 plus 2 billion plus vaccine dosage. This is regarding to COVID. Then apart from that, seventh, BharatNet. BharatNet. What is that? A national broadband mission. A national broadband mission. A national broadband mission to connect all form of to connect all form of gram panchayat in India, all form of gram panchayat in India, gram panchayat in India, gram panchayat in India with high speed optical fiber, with high speed optical fiber, with high speed optical fiber provide digital connectivity, provide digital connectivity, provide digital connectivity, and also to function in rural areas, also to function in rural areas, reduce digital divide, reduce digital divide, reduce digital divide, and support rural access, support rural access to e-governance, education, and telemedicine, to e-governance, education, and telemedicine, and telemedicine. Then next is 8th, Jam Trinity. Jam Trinity. What is Jam Trinity? Jam is combined Jandhan Aadhaar Mobile. Jam is combined. Jam is combined digital financial framework. Digital financial framework. Digital financial framework allow direct benefit transfer. Allow direct benefit transfer. Allow direct benefit transfer in real time, in real time, and to get subsidies, and to get subsidies. This is the 8th one, and the last one is JAM stands for Jandhan Aadhaar Mobile. Jandhan Aadhaar Mobile, that is JAM. Connectivity among all these things, your Jandhan Khata, your bank account, and the mobile phone, that is JAM. The last one is AgriStack. The last one is AgriStack. AgriStack. What is that? It is proposed digital ecosystem. It is proposed digital ecosystem. It is proposed digital ecosystem aimed to revolutionize. Aim to revolutionized. Aim to revolutionized Indian agriculture. Indian agriculture. Indian agriculture by using technology and data. By using technology and data. By using technology and data. It has farmer database. It has farmer database. It has farmer database that is unique ID for each farmer. That is unique ID for each farmer. That is unique ID for each farmer. Unique ID for each farmer linked to land records. linked to land record, accurate digital mapping, accurate digital mapping, accurate digital mapping, AI based real time, AI based real time advisory on weather, AI based real time advisory on weather, pest and crop decision, access to seeds, fertilizer credit, fertilizer credit and insurance, direct market access, to farmer without middlemen, unified agriculture service app, one stop app for all farmer service. So this is regarding to AgriStack. AgriStack, it is proposed digital ecosystem aimed to revolutionize Indian agriculture by using technology and data. It has farmer database that is unique ID for each farmer, linked to land record, accurate digital mapping, AI based real time advisory on weather, pest and crop decision, access to seeds, fertilizer, credit and insurance, direct market access to farmer without middlemen, unified agricultural service app, one stop app for all farmer service. So this is all digital public infrastructure benefits that the government is providing in different sectors, and that led to revolutionize the overall Indian growth prospect with the help of seamless, fast technological interoperability. Okay, so friends, you all can join our mains test series. Although the mains is very near now, you can still join this test series by attempting the number of tests. And apart from that, you can join our mains answer writing batch. Many times students said, sir, we don't know how to write the answers. So you can join this mains answer writing batch that is completely online and that is in bilingual mode. You can write the answers in Hindi and English. You all can register now. So now friends, we are left with only one class of this mains series, and that we will done tomorrow. So tomorrow we will complete our this mains classes, and from day after tomorrow we will start a new series that I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow will be the last class of this mains series. I hope you all liked it, and guys, it's a request, please do share, comment and subscribe our channel, and do share these videos with those who are appearing this year's mains or even preparing for 2026. That's it from my side. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Take care.